Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about remainder theorem, but this time we're going to find the value of k so that when p of x is divided by the given x minus c, the remainder is r. So let's have this example. P of x is equal to x raised to 3 plus 4x squared plus kx minus 2, and our divisor is x minus 3. And our remainder is 70. So our objective here is to solve for the value of k. So in order for us to solve for the value of k, we will use the remainder theorem, wherein it is stated that if a polynomial p of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is equal to p of c. So let's use the statement the remainder is equal to p of c and use that to formulate our equation in order for us to solve for the value of k. So our equation will be p of c is equal to our remainder. So in solving this, our first step is for us to equate our binomial x minus 3 to 0 and solve for the value of x. So we transfer negative 3 to the other side of the equation, giving us the value of x, which is 3. Okay? And this value of x, which is 3, will be the value of x that we will replace to all variable x in our polynomial. So we will have p of 3 is equal to our remainder, which is 70. Now to solve for the value of k, let's substitute all the values of x by 3, giving us the equation 3 raised to 3 plus 4 times 3 squared plus k times 3 minus 2 is equal to our remainder 70. So let's simplify first our exponent, giving us, so 3 raised to 3 is 27 plus 4 times 3 squared is going to be 9 plus k times 3 minus 2 is equal to 70. Then let's simplify further, giving us 27 plus 4 times 9 is 36 plus k times 3 will be 3k minus 2 is equal to 70. Then let's combine like terms. So we can combine 27, 36, and negative 2. So putting them all together, that will give us positive 61. So it will be 3k plus 61 is equal to 70. Then let's transfer positive 61 to the other side of the equation. So transfer, giving us 3k is equal to 70 minus 61. Then let's combine 70 and negative 61. So 70 minus 61, that is 9. So we have 3k is equal to 9. Then let's divide both sides by 3. So cancel, cancel. So the value of k for this polynomial will be equal to 3. And that will be our final answer. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.